Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunity for freshers. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus hiring from Zomato, Schneider Electric, QSS Technosoft and Setcos. So all branches are eligible to apply. There is no 60% criteria. So this is a freshers hiring. So all freshers must apply for this opportunity. Let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring update is from QSS Technosoft. They are hiring for software engineer for Noida location. This is a full-time opportunity where BE BTech from CS IT EC with 60% aggregate marks throughout their academic from class 10th to graduation. Those who are passing out in 2021 or 22 batch can apply for this opportunity. Talking about the skills, then you should be having knowledge related to front-end and back-end technologies with a knowledge in JavaScript, Node.js, Java and MySQL. Talking about the selection process, then in the first round you will be appearing for aptitude and programming round for 120 minutes. After you qualify in the second round, you will be appearing for technical interview and then HR interview. And after you get selected, there is a service bond of 2 years. Second hiring update is from Schneider Electric. They are hiring for graduate engineer trainee for 2024 batch at Bangalore location. So talking about the qualification and eligibility, then all the candidates, those who are pursuing their BE BTech in third year, they can apply for this opportunity. This is a full-time job. So the candidate must be having knowledge related to front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and related framework. You should be also proficient in any of the programming languages with a knowledge in MySQL. So this is a very good opportunity for 2024 batch students. So all the candidates, those who are pursuing their BE BTech in any of the fields or branches with no 60% criteria must apply for this opportunity. Third hiring update is from Setcos. Setcos is hiring for associate software engineer for 2024 batch. Talking about the qualification, then you should be pursuing your bachelor's or master's degree in BE BTech, ME MTech from CS IT EC or BCA MCA, those who are passing out in 2024 batch. Candidates should be having 65% marks throughout their academic career with a knowledge in any of the programming languages like Java, C++ or Python. And if you are having good profile in competitive programming, then it will be an advantage for this role. And if you have done any of the project related to software development or any internships related to software, then it will be also an advantage for this role. So talking about the perks and benefits, then there is a 5 days working with a performance appraisal, flexible working hours, health insurance, and you will be offered a package of rupees 4.25 LPA, and they are hiring for Lucknow location. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Zomato. Zomato is hiring for quality analyst role. So the candidates who are currently pursuing or those who have recently completed their BE BTech, ME MTech from any branches or discipline with no 60% criteria can apply for this opportunity. So talking about the role, then you have to develop and implement quality control process to ensure about the product and its services. So these were the 4 hiring updates where you must apply according to your eligibility criteria. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs and internship opportunities, then you must watch and apply for the opportunity. Thank you.